In this video, I want to talk about selling on Amazon FBA for beginners. I've been selling on Amazon for about 2 or 3 years, full-time for 2 years now, and I think it's been 2 years, little over 2 years now. And here's the tips I want to give. So the number one area I think everybody should start in on Amazon FBA is books. Books are super cheap to buy at thrift stores. You're gonna get them for like $1 or $2 at thrift stores, and you might be able to buy 10 or 20 of that item. You're gonna be making decisions on sales rank and on profit, and you're gonna be looking at fees for every single book. And it's a really small investment for making all those decisions. If you go out into retail stores, you might have $5 or $10 items, and there's 10 of them on the shelf. That's a huge investment if you make a wrong decision. You might be spending $100 on something that will never sell. So books are, I think it's integral in every Amazon person's success, especially when starting out. So if you're just starting out on Amazon, I would definitely look into selling books. And it's an open category for everybody. Some people can't sell like certain books by certain publishers. They might not be able to sell in like new or new condition. You should never sell a new condition book anyway, because you can get your account suspended if you're not going to be able to get an invoice for those books, and you might get your account suspended for selling a new book on Amazon. But anyway, so what you really need to do is have a smartphone. That's really the only thing you need, is a smartphone and the Amazon Seller app. And that's what the app is called, the Amazon Seller app. And then you'll set up your account, and all you have to do is scan the barcode of the book, and it'll tell you what the fees are for that book. Make sure you're looking at the fulfillment by Amazon fees, because most of the time the default fees that you're looking at are the merchant fulfilled. That's when you ship out each book individually, so you still have to pay for shipping on top of that. But you have to make sure it's on fulfillment by Amazon. But when you're scanning with the Amazon Seller app, it'll show you what the price is, what the fees are going to be, and then your payout after the fees. And you'll still have to take your cost off that. And the great thing about the Seller app is it'll show you every single restriction. If you scan an item and it's restricted for you, it'll come up with restricted on top of the listing. And not a lot of apps do that. You have to click a few buttons in order to find out if you're restricted on Amazon. But the Amazon Seller app will show you immediately. The other thing it does, it'll show you if an item is hazmat. That means that they don't allow you to send the item in to the warehouse if you're not hazmat approved. And absolutely no other app will show you if an item is hazmat. No app that I know of, at least. So that's really the tips for some beginners. Definitely download the Amazon Seller app, and then go out to your local thrift store and start scanning a few books. And another tip is scan some stuff in your house before you go out there. Just scan a few things in your house. You probably have DVDs or some books in your house to just scan, just to kind of get a feel what the fees are going to be, and get a feel of the layout of the app. That's going to be the best thing for you. So if you like this video, make sure you like it, and I'll see everyone next time.